How to share Messenger QR with others. Follow these steps. First, open the Messenger app on a device. Once you're in the app, tap the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will open the main menu of your Messenger app. Now look at the top right corner of the menu screen. You will see a small QR code icon. Click on the QR code icon to open your Messenger profile QR code. Moreover, it's time to share your Messenger QR code with someone. Tap the share button at the bottom of the screen. A menu will appear showing a list of apps and platforms you can use to send your QR code. Select your preferred platform. Once you have selected the platform, it's time to open up a chat with the person you want to share with. To share your Messenger QR, simply tap the send button and your Messenger QR code will be on its way to them in an instant. And there you have it. Now you know how to share Messenger QR with others.